In rural Rwanda, many adolescent girls face deep barriers to education and opportunity. Although Rwanda has made remarkable progress in the past 3 decades, nearly 39% of the population still lives below the national poverty line, and rural communities often rely on subsistence farming to survive. Despite significant national progress, gender inequality and entrenched cultural norms continue to limit the futures of girls. In some rural communities, young women are still expected to become wives and mothers, assuming dependent and unpaid roles, with little emphasis placed on higher education or leadership development. Rwanda remains one of the most densely populated countries in Africa and ranks among the lowest nations on the United Nations Human Development Index. For girls growing up in subsistence farming communities, poverty, limited school access, and lack of mentorship can make secondary education feel out of reach. Komera is working to change that reality by equipping vulnerable adolescent girls with education, mentorship, and holistic support so they can rise with strength and courage. The Circle of Sisterhood is a U.S. charity founded and powered by sorority women to help remove barriers to education for girls and women around the world. With over 100 million girls out of school, and with 2/3 of literate adults in the world being women, we have so much work to do. As one of the most educated communities of women in the world, we are the right community to be part of the solution to the global crisis in girls' education. In Rwanda, Komera means be strong, have courage. Komera helps develop self-confident young women through education, community development, and health. Founded after witnessing firsthand the lack of opportunity for girls in rural Rwanda, Komera began by enrolling 10 girls in secondary school. Over time, the organization expanded into a comprehensive, community-driven model. Komera provides full secondary school scholarships to public, girls-only boarding schools. These scholarships include tuition, room and board, health insurance, and all necessary academic and personal materials. But Komera's work extends beyond financial support. Each scholar participates in a school-based mentoring program. Girls meet weekly with Komera mentors and fellow scholars to receive academic guidance, leadership development, and emotional support. During school breaks, scholars engage in leadership training and social entrepreneurship programming designed to prepare them for life beyond graduation. Komera also invests in families through its parent and guardian cooperative, strengthening economic stability and community support systems. By enrolling the whole family, Komera ensures that each girl has layers of support both at school and at home. In 2021, the Circle of Sisterhood awarded a $10,000 grant to Komera. This funding unlocked opportunity for 88 vulnerable adolescent girls in rural Rwanda to receive comprehensive secondary school scholarships. The grant supported full tuition and boarding costs, personal and academic supplies, and the mentorship programming that is central to Komera's success. The grant also helped fund the social worker who coordinates the mentorship program and conducts mentor training sessions during school break periods. Scholars meet weekly with trained mentors who provide accountability, encouragement, and practical guidance to help them stay focused on their goals. The results are powerful. Komera proudly reports a 100% secondary school graduation rate, and 66% of graduates go on to pursue higher education. For girls who may have otherwise left school early, these scholarships do more than cover costs. They transform futures. Komera's model proves that education alone is not enough. Girls need mentorship, family engagement, health support, and leadership training to truly thrive. When we invest in the whole girl, we invest in generational change. Educated, confident young women become leaders in their families and their communities. They break cycles of poverty and reshape expectations for what is possible. Education is the great emancipator of poverty and despair. It is one of the most effective ways to equip all of us to challenge many of the global issues affecting women: poverty, oppression, misogyny, brutality. More and more educated girls will mean stronger and healthier villages, communities, and entire countries. Supporting the Circle of Sisterhood at any level allows us to come together to make an impact across the world. We are proud of the work we are doing, and we thank you for being part of this movement.